everyone. We are here to give you an update on the trending news around the globe. So let's talk a little more about Biden. With every new president, the Oval Office gets a makeover, but with Biden, it meant removing the military flag. Any new coming administration can make changes to the decor of the Oval Office as they want. However, the recent pictures show that Biden has removed the military flag that was present during the Trump's administration. It is a norm for the presidents to keep the flag, and traditionally present flags are that of America and the presidential seal. However, the interesting thing to note here is that the military flag was present during Trump's time but is absent during Biden's time. So, what does this mean? Does this mean that Trump had closer ties to the military than Biden? And what does that mean for the foreign policy? How will that reflect on the foreign policy of US? What are your opinions about this? Do let us know. And for more information, stay tuned. Thank you.